So let's begin the class. Close your eyes. Your feet are apart. Your palm facing up. So today we have Hatha Yoga class. Thanks for Andrea to join this class. Yes. And thank you for the people who are watching. This video we made for you free, that you can practice at home in this time. If you like this video, please do subscribe our channel and press the bell button. That will get our upcoming videos. Also, Andrea is giving the online classes. If you like to learn from us, so please write us. We can teach you one-on-one or a private lesson. So here we begin with Savasana. Find your own space. Connect with your breath. Let yourself, allow yourself to free in this yoga mat, that you can connect with your body and with your mind. Let yourself to prepare for this holistic exercise. Feel free to explore yourself and exhale. Once you find your own rhythm, of breath, and let yourself connect with the breath. This class is for the intermediate and a beginner student also can join. Now we're going to do some breathing exercise before we do the asana practice. We prepare our breath. We channelize our energy. Now bring your hands on your belly. We do the yogic breathing. Both hands interlock your fingers. Bring the palms on your belly. Now inhale, take a deep breath. Fill your belly as much as you can. Now slowly let your belly comes until you cannot exhale. Now slowly again, rhythmically, take a deep breath, inhale. Fill your belly as much as you can. And exhale. Complete exhalation, relax your face. Now inhale. Fill your lung, belly. Exhale. Again. Inhale deeply. And exhale. Empty your lung as you squeeze the balloon here. Now inhale. Now we're going to do internal retention. Now hold the breath after that. Here we work on the blockages. The energy can get flow into the blockages. Now exhale until your lower belly goes in. Now hold the breath again. That is external retention of the breath. Now inhale. Allow your belly fill and chest get lift. And exhale. Complete exhalation and hold the breath. Now inhale. Fill your belly as much as you can. Now exhale. Completely exhale. Again hold the breath. Now once you done with the holding the breath, you will be coming again into the Savasana. After this, now feel the breath here. Feel yourself lighter. This is the first preparation for the class. That we have channelized the prana and we have distributed the panch prana flow into our body. Now take a relax for a while. Now gently move your fingers, finger toes. Join your both feet together. Bring your hands above your head. Interlock your fingers. Take a nice stretch yourself. Inhale and exhale. Now after from here, we will be training our core now. Bring your hand side of your hips. Now join your both feet together. Yeah. Hands on the floor now. Now inhale, lift your right leg up. Your right leg, yes, as much as you can, until you can. Exhale down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale down. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale down. Now inhale, left leg up. Exhale down. Now inhale, right leg up. Make sure whenever you are bringing the leg up, you should inhale so that the belly and the internal organs get compressed here. Exhale and we let them to stimulate. Now inhale, left leg up. Exhale down. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale down. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale down. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale down. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale down. Now inhale, left leg up. Exhale down. Now lose your body here, lose your mind after this practice. Feel free here. Now we're going to do double leg raising. Join your both feet together, hands close by your body. If you have a lower back pain, you can lift your hips and bring your hands under your buttock. If you do not have, you can just with the both leg and hand side of your body. Now inhale, lift your both leg up. Exhale, down. Now inhale, lift your both leg up. exhale down. Inhale, lift your both leg up, exhale down. Now inhale, lift your both leg up, exhale down. Make sure you are breathing very deeply. Yoga is a breather. Inhale up, exhale down. If you are not breathing, you are not doing yoga. Inhale up, exhale down. You let your body flow with the breath. Inhale, lift up, exhale down. Inhale, lift up, exhale down. Inhale, lift up, exhale down. Inhale, lift your both leg, exhale down. Now inhale, lift your both leg, exhale down. Now after this, relax for a while again. Lose your body, lose yourself. Now stretch your arms 180 degree on the floor with the stretching, palm like that way. One hand comes this way and another hand. Now inhale, lift your both leg up. Now we're gonna twist from your Jatthara Parivartana Asana variation. Exhale, twist to your right side, look other side. Now without bending knee, if you can, inhale, lift your both leg up, come to center, exhale to other side. Exhaling time, we have to twist. Inhale, come to center, exhale, twist to the right side. Inhale, come to center, exhale to the other side. Inhale, again come to center, exhale to other side. Inhale, lift up, exhale to other side. Inhale to lift up, exhale to other side. Inhale to lift up, exhale to other side. Inhale to lift up. Andrea is a very long practitioner, so he can stretch his leg and he can do himself. If you are not able to do it, you might bend the knee, no problem. Exhale, down. Inhale, lift up, exhale, other side. Inhale, lift up, exhale to other side. Now inhale to lift up, exhale to other side. Inhale to lift up, exhale to other side. So few rounds. Inhale to lift up, exhale to other side. Inhale to lift up. Preparation of the nice spine. Exhale. And our core here. Inhale, lift up. We need core. We need a spine movement. Exhale to other side. Inhale, lift up. Exhale to other side. Inhale to center. And now exhale, drop your both leg on the floor. Again. Lose your body here, lose your muscle, lose your tense, your fatigue. You feel free here, like your body gets freedom here. Calming feeling comes after this. And the more energy generated feeling comes. We are working not only into the body, we are working with the breath also. If we work with asana, with the breath, it's amazing practicing. The body becomes more purified. Now from there, stretch your arms over your head, interlock your fingers. Now inhale, join your, okay, now interlock like that. Now inhale, lift your head up, upper back, lower back, come into the lower back, roll the spine, up, come up. Yeah, exhale. Now exhale all the way with the rolling spine, slowly roll your spine. Now we are training our spine again here. We want to make a more energy flow in our spine where the chakras lives. Now inhale again, lift up, all the way stretch your arms, yes. Now exhale, slowly roll, no hurry, take your time. Now inhale again, lift up, open the chest, yes. Now exhale, all the way roll, very nice. Inhale again, lift up, open the chest, now exhale to the roll again. Now inhale again, lift up, open the chest, stretch your spine. The buttock has to really point on the floor. If you cannot, slightly bend your knee and pull up. Yeah, I want to like that spine is standing. Now slowly roll from there with exhale. Now inhale, again come up. Inhaling time, come up and abdominal lock nicely. Now exhale, release all the way. Now inhale, again come up. Stretch. Exhale. Again roll back. Now inhale, again lift up. Open the chest. Exhale, slowly roll. Now inhale, again come up. Now open the chest. Exhale, roll. Now inhale, again come up. Open the chest. Exhale, roll. Now relax again, Savasana for Hila. One breath of Savasana, losing body, losing mind, losing that stress. Now from here, bend your knee to the chest, stretch your arms, side of your body, twist your right side with your knee, exhale, and now come into the child pose from there. Come into the child pose. Bring your left hand close to your mat, push against the mat, come into child pose. Now open your knees for a while. Now we're going to stretch your spine and the pelvis, and we're going to give a working on our socket joint here. So we're going to little bit prepare the ligaments on the socket and our quadriceps. Here our chest is getting stretched. Our armpits are opening. The nice breath is flowing in his spine now in this time. He breathes in and he breathes out. It's the same way you also do it. And keep connecting with your breath. If you're connecting with your breath, you understand your energy, body becomes more free, and mind comes into the control. Then we feel such a different experience by doing like this way. Now from there, slowly spread your fingers, gently lift your head up and walk with your hands back, bring hands back, and now slowly join your knees together, lift up. Now come into tabletop from there, bring your palms front of your knee, spread your fingers, knees and your palms in line. Now inhale, lift your chest up, open the chest. Whenever you are doing, just little bit push your body back so weight comes here. Is that correct? Right? The weight comes there. Now inhale. Now exhale, all the way lift and pull slightly in. Yeah, stretch this one as much as you can. Now inhale again, look up. Exhale, bring your chin to chest. Inhale again, look up. Exhale, bring your chin to chest. Inhale again, look up. Exhale, bring your chin to chest. Now inhale again, look up. Exhale, bring your chin to chest. Now inhale again, look up. Push your slightly buttock back and feel the stretch on your upper chest here. Now exhale, exhale, tuck the tailbone in. You can do Mula Bandha also. You can tight the hips muscle also in this time. Now inhale again, look up. Exhale, bring your chin to chest. Now inhale again, look up. Exhale, bring your chin to chest. Now inhale again, look up. Exhale, bring your chin to chest. Inhale again, look up. Oops. Exhale, bring your chin to chest. Now inhale again, come into the cow. Now exhale, from there go into downward dog. Open your feet. Yes. Downward dogs, your feet are open, hands and feet in line. If you cannot, touch your heel, you must open your feet as much as you can. Spread your fingers now. Knuckle of the fingers. And now breathe 10 times here. 1, yes, lock the knee. Yeah, this area of the hands comes here, and then this spine. Do not let your spine fall down. Press against me. 2, push to me, your spine. Yeah, like that. Yeah, breathe. 3, 4, 5, 6, yes, 7, 8. Wherever you are feeling stretch, you breathe there. Allow your breath go. 9, 10. Now inhale, lift your right leg up. Right leg bring front of your mat. Come into Ashwa Sanchalana Asana here. Left knee on the floor and lift your chest more. Now exhale from there, come into the forward fold. Padhasta Asana. Now slowly open your feet, palms on the floor. You bend your elbow and look at your toes. You don't round your back. I want your chest is open. Slightly bend your knee and open the chest and elbows is here press. That the upper body will come into the balance. Now inhale with the rolling spine all the way come up. All the come up. Hasta Uttana Asana. All the way. Now tight your barak here. Press your toes on the floor. Exhale, release your hand sidewise. Now inhale again, raise your arms overhead. Open the chest, arch back. Exhale, now fold forward. Again. Now inhale your left leg back. Left knee on the floor. Stretch your ankle. Ankle and press your ankle on the floor. These muscles get activated. Then your thigh muscles will get more aligned here. We have to align the muscles in this time and our bones. Now retain the breath. Bring your right foot to the left foot. Keep in body in plank pose. Crawl your toes. Yeah, join both feet together. Yeah, here you do not let your spine fall. So lift up and open here. Push up your chest. Push up more. Yeah, push up and press your ankle. Firm here. This is the firm asana. That's why it is called the plank pose. Now exhale, drop your knee, your chest, your chin on the floor. Your hands, okay, and palms and elbows in your 90 degree, it goes more back. And then open the chest now. Now inhale, slide up into the mini cobra, your belly button on the floor. Stretch your ankle now. Yeah, little bit palms are more back, not front, back. Now elbows try to bring to the chest here. Now exhale, go into the downward dog from there. All the way, open. Now inhale, lift your left leg up. Left foot bring front of your mat. Right knee on the floor. Now inhale, lift your chest. Stretch your ankle also at the same time. Now exhale from there, come into the fold forward. Yes, slightly. Feet are slightly open as I adjust you. Remember that adjust and you feel that adjust and you apply. You need exhaling here. So your breath remains here into the chest. You can do Uddiyana Bandha also in this time if you are advanced. Now inhale all the way with rolling spine. Always come with the rolling spine so our spine get here nice and stretch here. Exhale, release your hand sidewise. Now inhale, raise your arms overhead again, open your chest and arch back. Exhale, fold forward. Now inhale your right leg back, right knee on the floor, look up, yes. Now retain the breath, bring your left foot to the right foot. As I adjust you, now you adjust yourself. Lift your hips more up. Yeah, press your ankle, okay. Yeah, stretch your heel. Now exhale, drop your knee, your chest, your chin on the floor. Again, your shoulder has to get activated here. Relax your teeth and bring your tongue to relax on your upper plate of your mouth. Now inhale, slide up into the mini cobra, slowly come up, all the way. Yes, mini cobra is more down. You don't bring the weight on your lower back. You open your chest. Here, sternum and chest is opening. This is the hardest part in the cobra opening. Now we always do like that way. People who has a lower back pain, they can open their thighs and again they can feel the more stretch their ankle. Now exhale, go into the downward dog from there. Yes. Now inhale your right leg front. From there bring your right leg front and left knee on the floor and looking up. Open the chest. Now exhale, from there come into the forward fold again. Your palms next, little bit open your feet, so your heel has to find the space that energy can supply to your thoracic. Now inhale all the way with rolling spine, come up, raise your arms over your head. Mula Bandha here. Slightly bend your knee, feel the chest now, upper chest. Yeah, exhale, release your hands sidewise. Now again inhale, raise your arms over your head and arch back. Exhale, fold forward. Yes, very nice breath. Yes. Now inhale, left leg back. Left knee on the floor, look up. Now retain the breath. Okay, bring your right leg to the left leg now. Keep body in one line. Yes. Straight part. Now exhale, drop your knee, your chest, your chin on the floor. Now inhale, slide up into the mini cobra. Slightly open your thighs. You have to work on your upper back. So stretch your ankle. Does that make sense? You feel that upper back, right? Now exhale, go into the downward dog. Yes. Now inhale your left leg front. From there, right knee on the floor and look up. Yes. Now exhale, from there another leg front. Yes. Now inhale all the way with rolling spine, come up, raise your arms over your head. Exhale, release your hands sidewise. Now one more time, last round. Inhale again, raise your arms over your head and arch back. Exhale, fold forward. Now inhale your right leg back, right knee on the floor, look up. Now retain the breath, bring your left foot to the right foot, look front. Now exhale, drop your knee, your chest and chin on the floor. Now inhale, slide up into the mini cobra. Now exhale into the downward dog again. Now inhale, lift your from there, right leg up. Now bring your right leg front of your knee and look up. Now exhale, another leg front. Now inhale with rolling spine all the way, come up, raise your arms over your head. Exhale, release your hands sidewise. Again, inhale, stretch your arms over your head and arch back. Exhale, fold forward. Now inhale, left leg back, left knee on the floor, look up. Retain the breath, body bring into the one line, into plank. Adjust your back. Now exhale, drop your knee, your chest, your chin on the floor. Inhale, slide up into the cobra. Exhale, go into the downward dog. Now inhale, from there, left leg front. Right knee on the floor, look up. Exhale, another leg front, your thigh to chest. Now inhale with rolling spine all the way, come up, raise your arms over your head. Slightly bend your knee if you have lower back pain. Exhale, hand sidewise. Now lie down for in Savasana. Come, slowly roll in your back. So you have run great warm up for yourself. So we'll be more focusing into the asana here. Yes. Lose your body. Lose your mind. Now join your both feet together, hands close by your body. Now from here, you inhale, come into the shoulder stand from there. Either you with both leg lifting up or a knee bending to chest and rolling the spine. Now inhale, come up. Exhale, open the chest. Now inhale, bring your right leg behind of your leg and hold your right ankle with the both hands. Okay, now one hand, both hands, yeah, like that way. Slightly, now lift yours. Okay, now breathe. One, you need a lot of breath here. Two, very nice. Three, keep breathing. Four, five, we need a lot of breath now. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now support your back first with both hands and now switch the leg. Your right leg up, left knee, left foot on the floor. Now hold. Now breathe. 1, 2. I need a breath more rather than the asana. I want to clean your energy. I want to fix everything, muscles, alignment, tissues, connected tissues, fascias. 4, 5. Take a breath from the nose. The both nadis will work. 7, yes. Mind will come into the calm. 8, 9, 10. Now slowly support your back and lift your both leg up. Now slowly from there, drop your both leg behind of your head. Now Halasana variation. Open your feet now as much as you can. Open your feet. Now make a namaste between your thighs from there. Yeah, with hands. Hands are stretched. 1, open your leg as much as you can. Now breathe. 2, now breathe here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now slowly support your back. Okay, release your hand side of your body. Palms on the floor first. Yeah, slowly now roll slowly your back. Slowly come into with stretch your whole spine and slowly stretch your leg all the way on the floor. Inhale and exhale. Take a deep breath now and lose your body, lose your mind. Let the energy flow here. Now from there, little bit you slide, little bit down, okay, little bit more down. Now we're gonna do here Ananta Asana, okay, Lord Vishnu pose. Now turn to your right side of body, okay, turn to the right side. Okay, no problem. Now stretch your both leg, make a pillow for your jaw like this. Other way. This palms comes on your jaw and elbows get stretched here. And now bend your knee to your chest. Hold your toes here with your hands and stretch And now push the buttock in, open your here hips. Now breathe. 1, yeah, find the balance. Push the buttock in. The lower hips on the floor. Lower hips join. 4, stretch the leg, another leg. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now slowly bend your knee. Inhale, exhale. Slowly now turn on your back. Switch the side now. Now other side. Inhale, exhale. But hold that lower hips on the lower hips join on the floor. Bend your knee and now stretch. Now lift up. 1, yes. Very good. 2, 3, engage your leg muscles. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now slowly bend your knee, release. Now again come on your back. Take a deep breath, stretch your leg. Now this time, inhale, lift your right leg up. Bend your right knee to the chest. No. This hold your toes here, okay? Stretch your leg. Now, push the knees up. 1, Supta Padangusthasana. Reclining, extended hand, big toes pose. 2, very nice to open our hamstring. If you are little bit, bend your elbow also like this way and pull. That hand comes on this. Now breathe. 4, yes. Now lot of breath needed here. Breath work needed. Now 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly bend your knee. Now release your toes and your hands. Stretch your leg. Now inhale, lift your left leg. Now inhale, open. Now bring your right palms on the thighs and bend your elbow now. 1, yes. Stretch the knee back. You need to open in the hamstring. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly bend your knee and release your hands. Take a deep breath, inhale and exhale. Take a deep inhalation and exhale. Now bend your knee to the chest. Drop your feet on floor. Hips in, heel in line. Now, if you can hold your ankle with both hands, okay? Like your both hands, yes, like that. Now inhale, lift your hips up. Open your chest. Now breathe. Now release your hands from the ankle. Okay? Palms on the floor. Now inhale, lift your left leg up. 1, no problem. Yeah, pull up. 2, yes. Here you try to open your chest here. Press your right heel on the floor. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale, drop your left foot on the floor, stretch. Now hug your knees with the both leg, like that way. Inhale and exhale. Give a counter stretch to rebalancing our body, our mind, our muscles. So counter stretch is very much important. Now drop your both feet on the floor again. Now inhale, again hold your ankle. Now inhale, lift your hips up. And now this time, now release your hands, lift your right leg up. 1, now open the chest again. 2, very nice. 3, 4, yes. 5, little bit more, lift your chest, yes. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly drop your feet. Now again bend your knee to chest. One more time, hug your thighs. Close your eyes. Feel free here. And exhale. Now from here, turn on your belly now. Yes. Now stretch your hands back, your palms on the floor. Now from here, you bring your both palms under your thighs. So lift your pelvis and stretch like that way. Okay. Look here, like that way. Okay, like that way, or you can interlock, or you can make a fist also here. Now inhale, lift your right leg up. Now bend your right leg up. Okay. Now bend your left knee and bring your left foot on the thighs like that. Locust here, variation. 1, keep breathing now. 2, do not try to fall, just align your back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly first release your lower foot and the lower leg and the upper leg. Exhale, inhale. Now again open your chest, press your chest on the floor, join your both feet together here. Now inhale, lift your left leg up this time. Now bend your right knee, bring your right foot over your thigh. Now stretch your chin a little bit. Now align it. Do not fall into the hips. Now breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now slowly release your first your right foot and right leg and stretch your left leg. Now inhale and exhale. Now from here again chin on the floor. Now inhale, bend your right knee. Hold your right ankle with both hands here. Yeah. Half bow pose. Now inhale, lift your thighs and chest up and 10 breath. Up. 1. Yes. Now breathe. 2. 3. Very nice. Open the chest. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. Stretch your back ankle, the lower ankle. 9. 10. Slowly thighs on the floor and release your hand. Stretch your hands front of you. Stretch your hands front of you. Yeah, nicely. Inhale and exhale. Feel nice stretch on you. Now bend your left knee and hold your ankle with both hands. Now inhale, lift your head up, open just. 1, yes, 2, 3, 4, 5, lift your chest more. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly go down and then stretch your back leg. Inhale and exhale, stretch your arms. Take a deep breath, inhale. Now bring your hands again, your under thigh. We're going to do full locust here, the advanced one. I'm going to help you on that. Now bring your palms under your thigh as we did before, or interlock your hands. Now chin on the floor. Now inhale, lift your, join your both feet together first. Tight your buttock. Now inhale, lift your both leg up, come up now. 1, chin on the floor. I will help you how far you can go. 2, yeah, like that. 3, 4, hold my neck now. Now lift as much as you can from chest. 5, yes. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now slowly roll on your belly and stretch your leg. Slowly stretch your arms front of you. Now bring your hands. Now inhale, gently come into the cobra. From there, exhale into the child pose. Come back now into the child pose. Beautiful. Open your knees now. Open your knees a little bit. More open. If you open your knees, your spine gets stretched here. We just did the back bend, so the spine can get stretched. The counter asana. Each and every postures to rebalancing our muscles, we have to do counter. Take a few breaths of rest here. Now gently head up. Now slowly walk back with your hands. And now join your knees together. Now from here, drop your right hips to your right side. Yeah. Now open your leg. Yeah, like that. Another leg also. Like that. Both legs. Now inhale, little bit come into the mat. Yeah, that's it. Now inhale. From here, make yourself raise your arms over your head. Forward fold now. Inhale, raise your arms up. We have done just now the back bend. Now exhale, one more time we rebalance and palms Okay, hold, slightly bend your thigh to the chest and lift your elbow up now. Yeah, and look at your toes. Drishti is on your toes. This time you breathe on a chest only. You don't breathe on the belly. If you breathe on the belly, your back will get fold, and also you will not have a nice stress from the lower back. I want you work with from the lower back and lift the chest up. 3. Now breathe. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Now inhale, slowly raise your arms over your head. Exhale, release your hands side by. And now you turn this side now. Turn to this side your leg. Yeah, stretch your leg. Like that way. Now bend your both knee. Okay, feet are on the floor. Now we're gonna do here Gomukha Asana, cow face. So your right knee comes under your right thigh and left knees comes over it. Now your heels are away from your hips. Little bit internal rotate. Now inhale, stretch your arms over your head. Now exhale, slowly fold all the way. Okay, now without doing this one, you fold this one like that way. First we stretch your hips like that. 1. Yes, I want to stretch your hips, then we will do that. 2. Yes. 3. Little bit go more deeper. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Now inhale, stretch your arms over your head. From here, give an internal rotation. Now do that one, okay? This time, our right elbow comes up and left elbows goes down and go into the neck, open the chest because our right knee is up. Now breathe. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Now slowly stretch your arms again over your head. Exhale, release your hands sidewise, and now hold your knee and release now. Switch now. Right knee comes off. Now change from here. Inhale and exhale. Now this time right knee goes on the floor, left knee comes up. Now again, yes. Now inhale, raise your arms again up. Exhale, slowly fold with exhaling. Yes, slow, easy. 1. Now breathe. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Now inhale, slowly raise your arms up. Inhale, exhale. This time right hand goes behind your back, left elbow comes, rotate insidely. Whenever you want to do it, this joint has to turn like that way. That rotation is happening. Then you can see how far you can go, isn't it? Right? So always we have to internal rotate it. If not internal rotation of the shoulder, we cannot do Gaumukha Asana. 2, 3, 4, keep breathing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now release your hands, inhale, open your arms, exhale, release your hands side by your hips. Now lift your left knee and the right knee. Now stretch your leg again, inhale and exhale. Take a deep breath, inhale and exhale. Now from there, come into standing asana now. Yes, face there only, this side, you can face them. Now we're going to do tree pose from here. Now right foot bring on your left thigh, okay, lift up. Right foot to the left thigh, make namaste on your chest, or you can do up also if you are advanced. So advanced can do up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, keep firm your heel. 7, 8, 9, 10. Now stretch your arms as you did before. Inhale. Now these arms, your right arms will come onto the right knee and left will go like that and will stretch from the side. 1, yes. 2, 3, 4, very nice. 5, very firm he is, like that. 7, 8, 9, 10. Now slowly stretch your both arms up. Exhale, release your hands side by your body and hold your right ankle and release your right leg. And now slowly here move your legs, shake them little bit, move them, let the joint get here like that way. Yes, also the joint get balanced. Now inhale, bring your left foot from there. Make namaste on your chest, warm up. We are warming up your leg muscles in this time. Our pelvis is aligned, our spine gets straighter. Pelvis are axonal rotation of the left hip joint, like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now inhale, stretch your arms over your head. Exhale. Now left palms goes over the left knee and feel the side stretch here. 1. How nice side stretch he's having. 2. How much of balance. As an intermediate student, focus on the balancing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly lift your hands and stretch. Very good. Excellent. Now again shake like you did before. Now, yes, like that. Now we're gonna do Garuda Asana pose. From here, we'll bend our knee. So look at me how I'm going to do. And my right foot comes on the left like that way, and then I'm turning like that way. My hips goes back and stretching both arms. So my here left elbow will come under the right, and we'll make a namaste, and I will stretch like that way. While not fall my shoulder down, stretching. Now you try. 10 breath of it. Yes. Now slowly, easy, find the balance. One more time. Oh. Now stretch your arms in front of you. Yeah. This arms goes down. The another right arms will come. Yeah, like that way. Now lift up. 3, yes. Very nice. 4, amazing. 5, just work on the central of the heel pressing and big toes. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release your hands and upper leg. Again you shake your leg. Move your leg, turn your leg. Now inhale, again bend your both knee. After that, exhale. Very excellent. Now easy way. Yes, good. You can do it. 1, try. Very good. Otherwise, just make that. Beautiful. This is how we fall, we learn. We don't fall, we don't learn. So we always has to fall and learn. Yoga is experiencing things. So don't try to be a falling. Okay, everybody has to learn from the incorrect to the correct. 5, 6, again come back. Yes, 7, yes, 8, you guys carry on. 9, 10, release, exhale, move your legs, shake your leg. Now we're gonna do inversion. So now come into child pose after this great practice. Amazing. Now we're gonna do Sirsasana, headstand. So we're gonna do headstand and scorpion with him. As we said, this is the people who can, beginner can remain into the headstand, the half headstand, and intermediate can carry on the headstand and scorpion. Now from here, inhale, head up. So he can do like a two-way. One is the tripod way, another one is I'm gonna guide you now, okay? I'm gonna guide you. Now this one you do first one, not the tripod one, we'll do the Andrea, inhale, come up like that way, and elbow measure like that, and make namaste. This is how we learn here. Interlock your fingers, and now drop your upper part of head on the floor. Now crawl your toes on the floor. Now inhale, lift up here. So let yourself to back straight, upper part of head on a floor. If don't place your whole head on a floor. If you place your whole head on a floor, you will get a neck pain. So we don't want to have a neck pain. We want to press our upper part head on the floor. Just like that you bring on the floor. Elbows are little bit inverted facing. Now little bit walk with your feet, little walk in, inhale and exhale. No, bending the knee to the chest here. Bend the knee to the chest and come up, jump. Yeah, first step is this, and second step is knee together, feet together, and now push the buttock in and knees are joining, push all the way lower back and slowly come up if you can. Here we do 10 breath. 1, yes, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 6, 7. Beginner can just do 8. They measure their elbow, make namaste and walk in and just bend the knee to chest here. Beginner student, they don't come up. If they are good in this, then they will talking tailbone in and lifting in and stretching. 9, 10. Now bend your knee. We're going to do scorpion with him. Bending the knees, opening slightly like that way, and push the buttock all the way in. Bend your elbow now, brother. Andrea, bend your the knee. Now place your palms on the floor. Now head up and lift you up. Lift up, head up. And shoulder stretch. Up. 1, yes. 2, bend your knee from here. Yes. 3, elbow hold nicely on the floor. Yeah. 4, 5, beautiful. Bend your knee. Yeah, and slowly come back once. Wow. 7, 8. That is kind of pinch mayurasana variation also. Yeah. 9, beautiful. 10. Now slowly bend your knee to chest and slowly come back. Bend your knee to chest. Child pose. So easy. You might can do one more of variation if you like. If it is not, fine. Yes. Try to bend your knee and learn the back bend if you are good in that. Now slowly come back to the child pose after this. Very nice and solid headstand by him. Amazing. So here after you are doing inversion, at least let yourself relax 30 seconds to 1 minute because the blood comes in our head. This is amazing asana. This asana is a very amazing. It will correct your posture. I said you're never gonna be old if you're doing that because your spine is firm, your energy is good, you're having heart massage here, all the vertebrae are aligning, the oxygen flow on the brain. So this is very amazing asanas. The beautiful posture for all of us. We should practice this. Now from here, after finished, slowly inhale, gently lift your head up. And now lie down on your back in Savasana for your class. We finish. If you have a block, you can bring under the thighs or you can lie into Savasana with opening the feet apart and palms apart. We're going to do a little bit of restorative Savasana for Andrea. He has demoed this class very amazingly, so I will let him to here relax. Five to 7 or 10 minutes if you have time after this practice. You can let yourself relax. Release all the tense. your physical tense, your emotional tense, your mental tense. One time you scan your body from the toes to your top of head and lose your body. Now mentally you repeat within the relaxation, relax my feet. My feet are relaxed. Relax my ankle. My ankle are relaxed. Now shift awareness to your shin and knee. My shin, my knees are relax. Relax my thighs. Bring awareness to your thighs. Mentally relax. Relax my lower back, my hips, my pelvis are relaxed. Relax my belly. Bring awareness to the belly. My belly relax. Now bring awareness to your chest. Relax my chest. My chest relax. Relax. Now bring awareness into your back, to your lower back, middle back, upper back. Relax my middle back, my lower back, my upper back. Relax. Now bring awareness to your shoulder, your hands, right hands, left hands. Relax my shoulder, my right hand, my left hand. Relax. Now bring awareness to your neck, your head, your crown of head. Relax my crown of head, my neck. Relax. Now bring awareness to your face. Relax my face, my beautiful face. Relax. Relax my whole system of body completely. Relax. Relax. Now gently return back to your body. Move your fingers, your finger toes. Join your both feet together. Bring your hands above your head. Interlock your fingers. Bend your knee to the chest. Drop them to your right side. Inhale and exhale. And again to the left side. Let yourself come back to full of energy. Now from there, drop to the right side. Slowly. And release your eye strap. Come with the sitting posture with the closing eyes. We finish the class here. Come into sit. Sit any comfortable posture. Bring your hands in pray pose. We chant the mantra Om Mahadevaya Namaha for a world peace, universal peace, for all the living being in this planet, this creature, and for this difficult time. Now first we chant together mantra Om. Take a deep breath in. And together we'll chant the mantra Om Mahadevaya Namaha. Om Mahadevaya Namaha. Om Mahadevaya Namaha. Together heartfully Om toward the divine with joy and compassion. Together Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Drop your forehead to the Mother Earth. Get a blessing from our ancestor, our gurus. Give the energy. And rub your hands. Create heat between your palms. Cup your eyes in dark. Open your eyes. Apply to your face. Revitalize your face, your ear, your beautiful heart. All the chakras, all the limbs of the body, wherever you have pain and fatigue, and gently open your eyes. Namaste. Thank you for a class. Thank you for joining us. Thank you. If you like this video, please do subscribe us again. If you have any questions, so we are here to help you for any, if you did not understand. So I'll be here available. Thank you very much. Namaste.